Hey everyone, welcome to Project Donut, our very first animated adventure.
So let's begin.
Firstly, select the cube and hit the delete button.
Click Shift A, select Mesh and Shape Torus. At the bottom left, you will see Add Torus. Right now, we just have a ring-like object. So, by adjusting the segments and the radius, let's make it a round like a donut. A bit more. And here we go. Let's close this.
Let's make it a little realistic by Shade Smooth. Now we are going to add our very first modifier. Add modifier, generate, and subdivision surface. Let's render it by 1 and move to the edit mode. Okay, look at that. Confusing, huh? Well, don't worry, let's figure it out.
Turn on the proportional editing.
Now, we can't have a perfectly round looking donut. It obviously looks like fake, right? So, we'll add some variation by pulling and shrinking our donut to make it look natural. For this, left click a spot, click G on your keyboard. It will grab the connected points. Now, you can move it accordingly. Don't think much and just move randomly. Just like you want.
In case you get stuck or don't get any of the steps shown, just comment down. I will surely help you out. Even I am not a professional, but just a curious college student working on my skills. So, let's just work together and help each other on this journey.
Now select a spot, click Alt and left click on the other spot. Press S on the keyboard.
This will help shrink our donut.
Go to the object mode and click Shift D to duplicate the object for the icing. Name the object one donut and the duplicate icing.
Get back to the edit mode.
Now we are going to delete the unwanted icing part. Turn on the toggle X-ray. You can use this for positioning your object. So now click and hold and select the unwanted part. Click delete on your keyboard and select vertices. Go to the object mode and turn off the toggle X-ray.
Now we will add another modifier, that is solidify.
Here we will adjust the offset to stop the flickering in our donut.
Isn't that looking good?
Also adjust the thickness and we are good to go. We'll get back to the edit mode and make some changes in the modifier.
We'll turn on the snap pane over here, and in that select face project. Okay, so note one thing, that when you want to make any change in the object, always do it in the object mode and editing in the edit mode. Select the subdivision and apply. By doing this, we get many vertices to work on.
Turn on the proportional editing. Now we're going to work on the icing part, but before that we have to hide some part of it. So for that, go down, click on a spot, then Alt plus left click. To repeat the procedure, just click Ctrl plus. Now that's enough. Click H to hide the part.
Now we'll make the icing look a little realistic by giving it a wavy shape. Left click, press G to grab and pull it down. Now simply just repeat the procedure.
Just picture how the icing looks on the donut. Create some large, some small, some medium sizes accordingly. And we're done. Add a modifier. Subdivision surface. Scroll down and you will see edge data. In that, adjust the crease. OK.
Now, in the donut, you will see how the icing slides down through it. To create that dripping trail, click on a spot, then Shift plus left click to select the spot next to it and hit E on the keyboard to extrude the trail. Now, just repeat the procedure. Just like that. We're done. Look at it. How cool does it look? I hope we got no problem till here. We'll continue the next step in the coming videos. Till then, stay tuned and hit the subscribe button.